guys, what is up? And today we're going to be going over a music bot, and we're going to be using Fredboat for this, and it's a really easy, quick tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to do is go to fredboat.com, and then it should bring you up to this page, and you click Add to Discord. After you do that, you just got to select the server. We're going to use sample server. By the way, ICE is not here, official server, go join it. Authorize, then the reCAPTCHA, crosswalks, really easy. Oh, now it wants me to do another one, okay. Does that count as a traffic light? Bicycles. Oh my gosh, how many times do I have to do this? All selecting images. Oh, there's one right there. I gotta pay attention more to these. Okay, now I got it. Alright, so now if you go over, as you can see, it says Fredboat is in the server. Now, so if you, yep, and then there's the welcome message. This is basically most of it, but there's a few other things I want to show you guys. So let's just join the general. And then if we type, usually you have like a command channel or a music bot command channel. If we type play gaming music, you can also put a YouTube link, but for right now that won't work because there's a bug because YouTube is having problems with the link thing. So right now you can just say the title of the video you want to use, so gaming music, and then it'll bring up gaming music, and then you say play one. It'll join the channel. As you can see up here, it joined the VC, and now it's playing that video. Now, if we were to leave the VC, then it would pause. And if we were to join it back, it's still not playing until we say play. Oh, play. Nope, I almost typed it wrong again. And then if we just wanted to stop and not pause, just stop, then you do stop. Really easy tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to join the server in the link below. I can teach you more things about your server. I have a ton of tips that you can use. Thank you for watching and have an amazing day. Don't